You asked the question, but we didn't know that they had a feud. A new video clip shows how annoyed Aamber's lawyers were at her. In the clip you can see the actress look back at one of her lawyers, as if she was seeking reassurance or something. The lawyer quickly notices it looking annoyed and nods to the judge since he wants the actress to keep looking forward. Was Aamber actually taking instructions from her lawyer? The first time we witnessed discord within the team was on March 8th, when one of Aamber's attorneys objected to their own question. "While you were present, correct? Kepler told me he injured his finger on one of his weight rejections. This is hearsay, but you posed the question, so let's move on." Do you recall the time Elaine Breenhoff repeated to herself that she was trying because Johnny Depp's attorneys kept interrupting her testimony? I'm trying, what if any? We'll never forget that, and Aamber won't either. She thinks her tea was completely subpar, and she despised it. According to those in court, she thought she was going to fire them like she did with her previous PR team, because she didn't like how they did their job, but instead she just got angry with them. Aamber has been engaging in squabbles and shouting matches in court with her team. The internet was on the lawyer's side when this occurred. We understand where their client is coming from. She was so disrespectful during the trial that she walked out once before the judge left the courtroom, which was not permitted. Let's take a 15-minute break in the afternoon. Minutes to not discuss the case with anyone and not conduct outside research. Apparently, she did this as well because she was unhappy with the way her attorneys represented her. During one of the court days, the lawyer's stories and Aamber's did not always match up, particularly the one with the makeup kit. This is not the exact one. I used to carry it, but I no longer do so. Aamber appears to have changed her narratives intermittently without informing her audience, and from that point on, the story declines precipitously. Aamber Heard lost the defamation trial against her ex-husband, so she is required to pay $15 million. However, she refuses to pay, so her attorneys must take the blame. Elaine. We do not know why Breenhoff appeared on so many interviews and television programs to continue defending her client and blame the judge and jury for their loss. Aamber can't appeal unless she appeals on the basis of IAC or effective assistance of counsel, according to rumors. Counsel. This occurs only when a criminal defense attorney fails to represent his or her client competently, which is exactly what Aamber is doing. She will likely claim to have done so. Elaine has been conducting all of these interviews to demonstrate that she is incompetent. It's so tragic that her attorney was seen sobbing after the verdict was handed down. She risked her career for this case. Nothing. And the worst part is Aamber won't do the same for her because for her, it's every man for himself. Jokes aside, according to lawyers, these people did a good job. Observing the trial closely in the defamation trial involving Johnny Depp's lawsuit against Aamber, her legal team was very competent, but they had a client who was desperate to lose win. Thank you so much for viewing this.